Now, another thing you don't seem to understand is if I'm an actor and I'm giving what's called a blank gun. Now, and somehow there's a live round in it, right? How did the live round get into the gun? Who prepared the gun then? The props department. Anyway, so who's responsible in the props department if there's a live round in the gun? Whoever was the last to actually handle the gun. Exactly, right. If an actor is told this is a blank gun, even if he pulls the trigger, right, it's not supposed to fire real rounds, right? Exactly. If I'm paranoid schizophrenic and I get that, why don't you?